Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace this Subaru keyless entry remote, used for different models, different years, Impreza, Legacy, Outback, Tribeca, WRX, Forester and more. The battery you will need is a CL2025 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Pretty easy. What we have to do is to open the cover right here. So I will take a small flathead like this and I will just put it and turn clockwise, okay? Just a little by little and it should open easily. See? Show you again. Just like that. The other side as well. Yours may be a little bit harder, a little bit softer, but that's fine. Just here, a small screwdriver, flathead, and turn. Small twist and we're good. Now here is the battery. This is the chip area. So what I'm gonna do, right here underneath there is a small slot and this is the battery, as I said, CL2025. This is a good one. I will use it again. Put it back in, press face down, take the other part, just make sure that it's closed, and that's it. We're all good. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.